So the field school provides really rich training in all the different practical techniques that are core to excavating.
So it's a module, so that our first year students it's compulsory for them, so they have to do 4 weeks of excavation. And so it's really good for all the students involved to kind of meet each other.
It's just such like a community here. Like there's so many interesting things going on constantly, and you get to know everyone like on the course so well. You get to know your professors. Amanda, especially, she's just an amazing person. I think she's the person who made like the field school so fun for me last year and why I wanted to come back this year.
There's so many tasks that I've been able to participate in. There's just the basic clearing and troweling and then digging into some post holes, and along with that there's paperwork, there's photographs, there's taking levels of the ground, as well as what we call flotation, where we move through samples of the soil.
It forces you not only to kind of take a step back and look at the project as a whole, but to sort of examine things possibly from new perspectives or through ways you wouldn't have looked at it.
Sometimes it's more about your perception of something, so having other people around you to give you a second opinion can give you a much better idea of what's going on. So working as a team is a big thing, and it's something that I really like to instill in them.
I was talking to Karina, one of the trench supervisors, the other day, and one of the things she said was get good and then get fast. And I think that's a great way to summarise sort of the approach to the teaching and the supervising as I've found it.
I like seeing people like fall in love with archaeology, like I did at the dig. And also for me, it reinvigorates my love for archaeology every year, because I get to come do something really nice and really almost unique archaeology. And I just generally like teaching people and like meeting the new generation of archaeologists coming through. The skills that people teach you here and the staff here have such a base of knowledge to pass on. I learn from some of the staff still now, like every year I'm learning new things from them. So it is the best foundation for a career in archaeology.